Welcome viewers. This is the Excel inbuilt function fixed, and today we are going to learn about its use and examples. Round a number that it is specified number of decimals. It formats the number in decimal format using period and then comma. Now this is it is available under the category of text under the menu of formulas and the text category, and you can find this function here. Let me see the syntax of the how to use this fixed function. Fixed function have three arguments or parameters. The first argument is the number which you want to convert from number to text. The second argument, which is the decimals, number of decimals you want to format, and the third is no commas. No commas is if you want commas or no commas, it is a decimal binary number. So now let me see how it formats the number which we placed it here. So let us look at some of the examples with the same number, how it formats with different ways. In example number 1, it is a number have 3 decimal places. Now we need to have only one decimal place, so I placed it number of decimals as 1, and then I don't want any, I want commas, so that I need to place 0. So the result of this fixed, you see the arguments, I given the number from B5, and this number is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and number of decimals I want 1, and I don't want any commas because I given 0. The result will be it truncated on another last 2 digits, and it is rounded up to the next number. And in example number 2, it is a negative number. If you see here 1234.567, and I want to truncate minus 1 decimals. Minus 1 decimals means that the decimals which takes after the it is left hand side from the period, and again we need the comma format, so we place 0, so the result will be 1 1 2 3 0. So it is truncated to the right side left side of this number 4 to 0. In this rounding process, so if any value is equal or more than 5, it becomes to the higher value, it decimals to the next value, or if it is less than 5 means it makes to the 0. So in example number 3, in this case we need to round it up after decimal 2 numbers, that is 3 4. It is less than 50, 2 digit number less than 50, so automatically it makes to 0. The result will be 1200. In this example, we don't want to do any decimals or 0. We don't want to round it up, but we want to discard the decimal places. So again we need a comma. We have given as a 0 number, so result will be 1235. So it is truncated this it is greater than 0.5, so automatically rounds up to 1235. In example number 5, the same number, decimals are 0, but we don't want to see the output format without commas, so I have given this number as 1. You can see the output as 1235. Some format this number by using the cell formatting also. If you go and select the number, and you can make this one to 1 decimal number, it is also possible to get the same number. But the problem with this function of formatting cell is still number is a number, not a text. But with this fixed function, the output result converted into a text format. So this is a fixed decimal point, so you cannot have the any decimals after once you fix this function. But in the format function, whenever you want to further number, so increase the number of decimal places, again you get back this number. So in the fixed, once it converts, you cannot get back to the another I mean the last decimal points. So in this the major difference between, and thank you very much.